I'm Sarah from Creative Ramblings, and you're watching Hometalk.
When you take the lid off the coffee can, there is a lip on the side here. This has to be the bottom of your lantern. So we're going to flip this over and use a can opener to take off the bottom. We want to make sure that the edge is nice and smooth. This is going to allow you to get the ice lantern out nice and easy later on. So grab a few rocks and fill up the smaller can. We're going to adjust the amount of rocks a little bit later on. We're going to place the little can inside the big can and fill it up with water. The goal here is for the water to go around the sides and the bottom. So we want that center can to float just enough. So this is where you're going to adjust the amount of rocks that are in your can. Once we have just the right amount of rocks so that the can floats, grab some painter's tape or some masking tape, and we are going to secure the small can to the large can. Tape it all around the top, but leave some holes in between because we're going to fill this with some floral pieces. So once everything is secure, grab some Christmassy or winter floral pieces. I really like the glittery green and the red berries on this one. So I'm just going to cut off some stems. Once you have enough cut, you're just going to start sticking those floral pieces into the can. You can remove one piece of tape at a time if you need to, but really fill it up. And using these longer pieces, bending them if you need to, is going to make sure that they don't all float to the top, and some of them are really stuck down toward the bottom. Your can full, it is time to freeze this and turn it into an ice lantern. When it is frozen, pull it out and head over to a sink. You can pop that bottom cover off, pull the tape off, and then I'm just running some warm water over the can. It's going to melt the ice just enough to pop this out. Remove those rocks from the middle and then fill that middle can with warm water, and that will slide right out. This is beginning to look like a beautiful ice lantern. We have a few pieces of the floral stems sticking out. So I'm going to grab that wire cutter and just cut off some of the excess pieces until I'm happy with the look. You can see the red berries and the green holly peeking through the ice, and this looks gorgeous. So now I'm going to take it outside and I am going to drop an LED candle in the middle. This is something you can leave outside if you live in a colder climate all winter. As long as it stays below freezing, this is not melting. And if it does melt, so be it, you can make another one. I hope this inspired you to go create an ice lantern for your holiday and winter decor. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.